Hello everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to enable this feature open with code on Visual Studio Code. In case you don't have this one, simply just disable it, just uninstall the software, go to settings and then go to apps and then scroll down, look for the application Visual Studio Code. This is the one, just uninstall it, simply uninstall and hit yes. Now it's uninstalled, close this one and go to download. If you still have the software, it's gonna be cool. If not, if you don't have it, you have to download it again. And go to the application file, the X, just click on it to install it again. And go with accept agreement. Be careful here, we have to enable some options so that it's gonna run. Go next and next. In here, just make sure that you check on this one, add open with code and open with code action to Windows Explorer there. Okay, just make sure to enable this one, and if you want to make a shortcut icon on desktop as well, you can check this one and go with next and install. Right now it's gonna work fine. Just wait till it's installed and it's gonna work normally. And after it's been installed, just click on finish and the Visual Studio is gonna work. Let's go to desktop, for example, or any folder you can open. Just right click and you're gonna see this option, open with code. Right now you can make a folder. For example, let's make a folder and then go to this folder, and if we just right click open with code, it's gonna open this folder into as you can see, into Visual Studio Code. Now we can make files and start working programming anyway. And that's it, guys. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. See you next time.